round 4, match number 8. We've got Alliance number 2 in red, Alliance number 5 in blue, and immediately nobody wants to go home here. Let's see what can happen. We've got our robots already shooting up a volley of artifacts. Looks like your blue Alliance having a little bit of trouble thinking them. Your red Alliance has actively emptied their classifier a few times. Here goes another quick shot up for Atomic Liquid Tab. Alpha Dog Sigma moving artifacts out of the ready human player zone. In fact, they're going to grab more of them as our auto period slowly comes to an end. One more volley from the Ninjas and Hawk.
Driver, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, here we go. Moving into our teleoperated period. Your Red Alliance does have a bit of a lead, and they're going to look to keep it. This is a match to move on in our tournament. No one wants to go home. A quick volley from the Atomic Liquid Tap. The Blue Alliance tries to bring them closer. We've also got Alpha Dog Sigma shooting from across the field. You know who else is doing that? It's the Ninjas for your Red Alliance. They come back to this line. Unfortunately, they get pushed by Alpha Dog Sigma, and all 3 of their shots go wrong. They even knock over the obelisk back there. Hopefully, everything's okay with there. The Ninjas trying to shoot on the move, but they just go a little far. It's going to be very tuned in on their shooting. Let's see if they can do that now, and yes, they can. 2 more shots hitting good. If your Blue Alliance and your Red Alliance both drain their classifiers. There goes Atomic Liquid Tabs and the Ninjas. From both 2 different alliances and Hawk, they're all shooting up volleys. It's hard to keep track of just how many artifacts are currently flying through the air. An archaeologist might be a little appalled at how many artifacts are just being treated as they're flying throughout this air. We do have another volley from the Ninjas. Here comes Hawk trying to shoot, but instead all going for our referee. Hope he's all right over there. Alpha Dog Sigma, they're going for another shot. They've been doing this long game here all tournament. Let's see if they can keep it going. Robot Skittles currently draining the blue human player section. That also means Atomic Liquid Tabs looking for any artifacts they can get as they go and drain their own classifier. That's going to leave a lot of artifacts in the red secret tunnel and the red human player station. Your Red Alliance slowly starting to get away with this match. There's only 35 seconds left. We're going to have to see if Blue Alliance claw their way back into it. Anything can happen here in the first deck challenge. There goes a good pop-up for 3 from Hawk. Another 3 pop-up for 6, actually, excuse me, from both Blue Alliance machines at the same time. They're really getting their shooting locked in and trying to get everything going, but sometimes there's still the occasional artifact hitting a referee. A bit of a collision between the Ninjas and Alpha Dog Sigma. We've seen the Ninjas, they have the mechanism to raise their robot off the ground so they can let another robot get into the square a little better, exceeding that base zone. Let's see what we can do here. Here goes Hawk getting in there as well. Time counting down. Let's see. Both scores over 200 unofficially. A well-fought match by both alliances. Hang tight for a moment, folks, and we will have your scores. Equal fouls on both sides. We are going to give a huge round of applause to Alliance number 5. Please help me in congratulating them on a well-played tournament, starting with the captain, team number 18809, Atomic Liquid Tabs, and their partners, team number 32343, Alpha Dog.